Easiest U.S. PR pathways. Unlock your future with our clear guide to permanent residency in America. Moving to the U.S. can be complex. Today, discover the 5 most accessible paths to permanent residency and a new chapter in America. First, family sponsorship, a direct route for immediate relatives of U.S. citizens. This is the fastest pathway for many families. If you have a U.S. citizen parent, child, or spouse, they can petition to bring you to the United States permanently. Next, the EB-3 employment visa. It welcomes both skilled and unskilled workers to fill essential roles across the U.S. workforce. Hospitality staff, nurses, and skilled trades can qualify. U.S. employers sponsor your green card, no advanced degree required. The Diversity Visa Lottery gives worldwide applicants an equal shot at U.S. permanent residency. It's a true lottery, no job or family needed. If you're from an eligible country, simply apply online for a chance. Winners can bring spouses and children too. The EB-5 Investor Visa offers PR to those who invest capital in U.S. businesses, often leading to job creation and economic growth. Invest at least $800,000 and your whole family can settle. No employer or family sponsor needed, just your capital and a clear business plan. The EB-2 NIW is for professionals whose skills benefit. The U.S. National Interest Waiver means you can self-petition for a green card. It's ideal for those with advanced degrees, unique expertise, or a strong record of achievements that help the nation. Each pathway has unique benefits and requirements, but all lead to the same goal: long-term settlement and opportunity in the United States. Whatever your background, the first step is understanding your options and making a plan that suits you best. The American dream is within reach. Which pathway will you choose for your future? Start your journey today.